Nitya, Department of Mathematics. Today we are going to see the symmetric function and its problems. Symmetric function, if the function involving the roots remaining the same on interchanging the roots, then the such function is called as a symmetric function. That is, if a function involving the roots, every function is involving some roots and it remaining same while interchanging the roots also. If it is like that, it is called as a symmetric function. Okay, so we are going to find the value of sigma alpha squared, sigma alpha beta. So we have applying the formula a plus b plus c the whole squared equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca. Let us see the first problem. Important 5-mark question. Change this 23 as of number 1 first problem. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equations they have given, find the value of sigma alpha by beta gamma. Okay, so the given equation taken as f of x is, that is x cube plus ax plus b equal to 0. Now we are going to take this as a f of x can be x cube plus 0 x square, because x square term is missing in the polynomial equation, and ax plus b. Now a0 equal to 1, a1 equal to 0, a2 equal to a, and a3 equal to b. Now as usual, s1 is a sum of the roots. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, since it's a cubic polynomial, so only we have 3 roots. So summation alpha or sigma alpha, that is minus a1 by a0, so minus 0 1 by 1, that is 0. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0, first equation. Then s2 equal to alpha summation alpha beta, that is product of the roots and their summation. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta, that is a2 by a0, that is a by 1, that is equal to a. So which is equal to a, second equation. Then s3 equal to product of the roots, that is alpha beta gamma minus a3 by a0 minus b by 1. So alpha beta gamma equal to minus b. So this is the third equation. Now they are also asking us to find for sigma alpha by beta gamma, right? That is summation alpha by beta gamma. So alpha by beta gamma plus beta by gamma alpha plus gamma by alpha beta. That is the meaning of that term. So after taking LCM, we are having alpha squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared divided by alpha beta gamma. We know that the value of this one, so alpha summation alpha squared equal to alpha plus beta squared plus gamma squared, right? So this can be split as alpha plus beta plus gamma the whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. That formula, a plus b squared plus c squared formula we are using. So we are getting in the answer as minus 2a, that is the fourth equation. Now using fourth equation and the third one, that is this one alpha beta gamma equal to minus b. So we can apply that summation alpha by beta gamma equal to, so the upper term, that is numerator minus 2a, and denominator alpha beta gamma is minus b. So after cancelling the minus sign, we are getting 2a by b. Important 5-mark question. 3 questions I have taken today's class, that is 3 also important university questions. Next 10-mark question we are going to see. If alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the roots of the equation, then find the value of summation beta plus gamma plus delta minus alpha divided by 2 alpha squared. Write the given equation as f of x, then find out the coefficients a1, a0, a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on. Since it's a 4th degree polynomial, so s1 equal to summation alpha, that is roots you can find out. So alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, that is minus a0, that is 0. Then s2 equal to just product of the roots, that is minus a2 by a0, that is a0 minus a2 plus a2 by a0. And s3 equal to minus a3 by a0, that is product of the roots and their summation. So minus b. S4 equal to just product of the roots, alpha beta gamma delta, that is c, a4 by a0. So now we just write the given term, that is beta plus gamma plus delta minus alpha divided by 2 alpha squared. So here we are applying adding and subtracting alpha. For our convenience we are taking. So what we are getting, so take this to be, this two terms to be the cancel, and only that is alpha plus beta plus gamma minus alpha minus alpha we are adding and subtracting. No, so just take the whole term as 0. Since alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0, we have taken here, see, alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to 0. So 0 minus 2 alpha divided by 2 alpha square, that is minus 1 by a. Similarly, alpha plus gamma plus delta minus beta divided by 2 beta squared, because we are one by one we are finding, because in the question they have asked us beta plus gamma plus delta minus alpha divided by 2 alpha squared. So summation, so we are doing one by one term, adding, subtracting, adding and subtracting by beta here. So we'll get our answer. Next gamma, next delta, see here, next gamma, next delta. Likewise we are adding 4 terms, adding 1 2 3 4, so we are getting the summation of that term. So that is minus 1 by alpha, minus 1 by beta, minus 1 by gamma, minus 1 by delta. So just after taking minus, you just write it and get the LCM. We are getting the answer as B by C. Okay, so once again I am telling you, first we are taking that gives a given equation, find out the values, and I find S1, S2, S3, S4. So what will happen after S4, then write the first term and then minus alpha, because summation they are giving in the question, then minus beta. For minus beta, adding and subtracting beta, here minus alpha, adding and subtracting by alpha, and simplify that. Since S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to 0, so we are applying that also, and then find out all the 4 terms, changing by gamma, delta also, and then adding all those things, you will get the given question, that term. So get the, after simplifying you are getting B by C as answer. Next question, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation, then find summation 1 by alpha and summation 1 by alpha beta, summation alpha squared. Likewise as usual we have to find, then S1, S2, S3, S4 also we have to find, then summation alpha equal to the term, summation alpha beta equal to find out, that is S2. 4 terms we have to find out. Now first see the first case, summation 1 by alpha, that is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma plus 1 by delta. Take the LCM, and then this is the minus r, and then this is minus p. Depends upon the minus r is that is S3 value, minus p is this one S1 value. So we are applying and then we are getting the answer. Likewise 1 by alpha beta also likewise the same. Then summation alpha squared is also alpha squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared plus delta squared. After simplifying we are getting the answer. So 3 questions I have taken. These are important university questions. Watch it. If you have any doubts you can ask me.